respected staff members, my lovable students. As we know, today we are here to celebrate the Swachh Bharat mission, which is run by or led by our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Modi. This week is being celebrated World Sanitation and the Water Conservation Week all over the world for the sake of our earth to green again. As we know, we are the Indians, the lover and the worshipper of the nature. And you very well know that some of the trees are considered holy as equal as the God. That's why some of the trees are still worshipped at your home, nearby the surroundings, etc. Some of the trees you know very well, just like tulsi, banana tree, people tree, banyan trees. They are worshipped at our homes or the nearby the surroundings. Dear students, due to the excess use of plastics, our earth has become sick or ill. Because plastic is non-biodegradable items. And due to this, soil pollution is everywhere. Due to this, we know some of the cattle, they graze the plastics and they die. And my request is there, we should not use the plastics. I request everybody, we should not use the plastic. When we go to market, you take a bag with you. That is not made by the plastic. That is not made by the plastics. That's why my children, to remain our green, clean, plastic should be banned everywhere. And it will be possible only with your help, the youngster, the future of India's help only. I also request to harvest water for future. A lot of water is wasted unnecessarily here and there. We know at our homes, we waste a lot of water. So please take oath with me. You everybody stretch your hand to take place. Get ready for place. You everybody get ready for place. Please stretch your hand and you speak with me. You everybody. Teachers also please. Yes. I must not throw garbage on roads and streets.
I must not throw the garbage on roads and streets.
I must not spit on roads and walls.
I must not spit on walls and roads.
I must not write on walls and the crunchy notes.
I must not write on the walls and the
I must not abuse and insult others.
I must not abuse and insult others.
I must save water and electricity. I must plant a tree every year. I must follow traffic rules. I will take care of my parents, my grandparents, and take their blessings and respect them. I must respect women. I must give way to ambulance first. My dear students, we must change ourselves, not our country. If once we change, our country will automatically change. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.